Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute heart coasters, and I'm using this chunky yarn. I got it at Michael's, and I am using a 7mm crochet hook. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm sorry I filmed this the wrong way, this first clip, so the next one will be filmed the right way. But let's get started with a magic circle. Okay, when we do our magic circle, we are going to chain 2, and all of the stitches are going into that magic circle for this first round. Alright, once you have your chain 2, we are going to make 3 treble crochets into the magic circle. So here's my first treble, and then I'm going to make 2 more. And to do a treble, you yarn over twice, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops on your hook. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Alright, now we are going to make 4 double crochets into the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we are going to make 1 treble again. And now we're repeating the same as before. We are going to do 4 double crochets. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now after this, we are going to make 3 more treble crochets into our magic circle. Okay, and remember to pull on this strand to close the circle, and that's going to form the heart. So lastly, we are going to chain 2. Okay, pull on that strand to close the heart completely, and we are just going to slip stitch inside that magic circle to close, and we're not going to tie off. We're going to continue to round number 2. Okay, so now we're starting round number 2, and for this round we are going to make a single crochet inside this chain 2 space here, single crochet, and then that next stitch we are going to place 2 single crochets inside that same stitch. 1 and 2. Now on this next stitch we are going to place 3 single crochets. So here's 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in this next stitch we are going to place 2 single crochets. Now for the following 4 stitches, we are going to place 1 single crochet in each stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so in this stitch right there, we are going to place 3 single crochets. Now we're just going to repeat the same. We are going to make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then right here, 2 single crochets in that stitch. Okay, and then the next we are going to place 3 single crochets. In the next we are going to place 2 single crochets. Okay, and lastly we're going to place 1 single crochet here in this stitch. And then to close, I'm just going to slip stitch in that middle of the heart. So right there, I'm going to place my slip stitch. And now I'm just going to tie off and weave in my ends. And I am done. And this is how it looks once I weave in my ends. I absolutely love how it turned out. I love how it looks in this clear mug. It's just so cute. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you're making some of these for Valentine's Day. They are great for gifts or for your coffee bar, which is what I'm using it for. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.